Jumping jack. Jumping jack. Thank you, Shalane. Whoa. Whoa. Daddy got. What's your trick? Whoa. Whoa. Wow, you did it. Try it again. Ay, sa inyo la. Oh, okay. Hirap no? Mahirap ngayon. It's 7 p.m. here in Alaska. Don't forget to subscribe, Strawberry Girl. I know it's daylight here in Alaska. See, it's cloudy though. Look, Dad is coming. Ala, may mumuna naman dyan na Aisa. May dagdag view sa mga momo. Okay. Kabo naka 5,000 lang ba tayo? 4,000. Ngayon 21,000 ata. Mahina kahapon. Baka first day ng school. Diyos ko, pagoda tayo. Diyos, ang daming trabaho. Ay, ay, ay. Ready, Freddy? How do you ask anak? Okay. What do you like? This one? Do you have a protection, Juliana? Is this your protection? There you go. Go, 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 go. Oh, it's wet because it's been on the floor the whole time, probably. What is it, a worm? Okay, that is ready. Ayan. Nagbisi-bisihan na tayo, guys. Bisi-bisihan talaga, uy. Ayan.